a crimson tear in heaven's eye. The boy king sits upon his throne, with hands of blood and heart of stone.
Tyrion walks the hall of snakes to count the toll the terror makes.
While in the dark the order stands to hunt the blood of royal lands.
On Dragonstone
The fires burn,
the old gods fall,
the pages turn.
Melisandre chants into the night.
The night is dark and full of terror.
She wakes the dragon from the stone to claim the rightful king his throne.
A shadow grows within her eyes as the ancient faith of Westeros dies. The north remembers the fires rise. The red star bleeds across the skies.
The kings are fighting for the crown
To burn the golden city down.
The steel is heavy,
The shadows grow. Westeros bleeds in the winter snow. The gold cloaks ride with blades of shame to kill the young who bear his name.
a baby's cry,
A mother's tear.
the streets of gold are filled with fear.
The night is dark. The night is dark. The night is cold. The iron truth is being told. No bastard safe from Joffrey's blade. The ultimate betrayal has been made.
But far away on the dusty track,
The wolf is hiding, looking back. The north remembers the
fires rise.
The red star bleeds across the skies.
The kings are fighting for the crown
To burn the golden city down.
The steel is heavy, the shadows grow. Westeros bleeds in the winter
The snow.